Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. I've already opened the main package because I thought this was going to be something else. But this is something that I ordered or helped out on Kickstarter a long time ago. I don't know how long, but I've waited a long time, maybe a year. It's actually two MICROBLADE pills from MICROCARRY. And this is, let me see, this is not a knife, but it is a very, very small cutting tool. And I carry a small knife on each of my car keys and house keys as well. And it irritates me a lot that I can't. They're quite big in actually. It irritates me a lot that I can't have them with me when I travel, because when I'm away, I still need to open packages and cut tape and whatever, just as much as I do at home. Maybe not as much, but so I think these. I thought they were going to be smaller, but I think these will do the job, and I think I can have them with me when I travel. So they are quite large actually. They're supposed to be small as pills, medicine pills, but I think they're, I know that they're quite large. I don't have any pills, vitamins or whatever that are this large, but still pretty cool. And I think that I could travel with them. I'm gonna try it because even though it's something that I can open packages with, it's not a knife. It is a cutting tool. So it should be legal. I'm not sure here in Sweden, but it should be. And this fits, I think, it both with magnet in this small locking mechanism. And I ordered one in rose gold and one in gold. Very, very tan, very light gold. And when you don't use, or when you use the knife, and you don't have to put the lid in your pocket, you can put it on the rubber thing like that, and use the knife. And it seems to be very sharp. Could be a bit better on the edge, but it's made by machine, so I think it's nice. And let's try it out. I think it's sharp, but let's try it. So this shouldn't be any problem. Shoebox. Yeah. It doesn't go through actually, but once again, it's supposed to open packages, cut open tape. Okay, there it did. And not as a knife. So to open packages, it will be just fine, I guess. Yeah. At least as a backup tool or emergency for when traveling and you can't bring your pocket knife with you. So yeah, two more cutting tools, sort of knives to have on my car keys, just because I love small knives, love gadgets, love hidden knives for some reason, and I really love key rings. So that's it. MICROBLADE pill from MICROCARRY. Could be sharper, but once again, is only for cutting tape and nothing else. Open packages, nothing else. Hope you like my video. Please subscribe, and for you that already subscribing, please hit that bell button because you are not seeing my videos. Thumbs up. Thanks.